Hi, Siri.
Hi, sir. Good
Yes,
afternoon.
good afternoon. Okay, so what is your full name?
Yeah, my name is Kadukuntla Siri.
Okay, and where are you from?
I am from Nagar Karnool, Telangana.
Okay, and which branch you are from?
Yeah, my BTech branch is Computer Science and Engineering.
Great, great. And which year did you qualify GATE examination?
Yeah, I have qualified in 2021
Great.
and
Uh,
also in 2020
okay, so you have given GATE twice.
twice. Yes, sir.
Okay, what was your score in GATE 2020?
It was around 520, 523. It was around like that. And I have
Okay,
attempted again, and now my score is 592.
okay, okay. And Siri, did you apply anywhere with 520 score last year?
Actually, I have applied in CCMT, only CCMT. I have applied only top four NITs, this South four NITs, Warangal, Trichy, Calicut, and Surathkal. And I did not get any offer from that.
Okay, and didn't you apply for any IITs last
No,
year?
no, sir. No, sir. I didn't apply.
Okay, okay. Okay, Siri, tell me what is your category?
Category is EWS.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and what is the so you have passed your bachelor's in computer science, right? What is
Yes,
your BTech
yes.
percentage?
I mean, it is CGPA, sir, and my
Yes,
CGPA
yes,
is
CGPA.
8.8.
8.8. Okay, great.
Yes, yes, sir.
So, didn't you, I mean, last year, didn't you think about applying for MS programs as well? I mean, you have a good gate score. Last year, you had good gate score as well as your
Yes,
BTech percentage is also great. So, why
yes,
didn't
sir.
you apply for MS programs last year?
Actually, I'm not aware of all these MS programs, sir. I was only aware of MTech last year, and
Okay.
I mean, I thought my score was very low, and
Mhm.
I have decided to attempt once again, and I was aiming for only old IITs. So I thought I
Okay.
wouldn't be getting any old IITs anyway. So that's why I didn't. I mean, my rank was
Okay.
around 3000 like that. I was expecting below 2000. If I get below 2000, I would be getting some good college like that. I thought, so that I didn't apply anywhere. And this year my rank was at 2175. So I thought, let's give it a try. So if I
Mhm.
get any good opportunity, I will be joining, else I will again attempt a gate. So that was my plan.
Right, right.
Yes.
That's good. That's good. Okay, Siri, now I will ask some specific questions related to counseling process. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So, mention the name of all colleges you have received call from. COAP round, that is, you can either say COAP round wise or you can say,
Yeah.
I mean, whatever you can remember from which colleges you have received call.
Yes, sir. And in COAP round one, I have received call from IIT Jammu, and in that
Okay.
computer science and information security, and IIT Bhilai CSE in
Okay.
COAP round one. And I have exercised this retain and wait option for IIT Bhilai. And in
Okay.
round two, that was only there. Only IIT Bhilai CSE was offered. And in round three,
Okay.
I got this IIT Kanpur Geoinformatics and
Okay.
IIT Bhilai CSE. So now
Okay.
I have exercised this IIT Kanpur Geoinformatics, but I have done retain and wait. And in
Okay.
round four, I got four offers. One is IIT Kanpur Geoinformatics, IIT Hyderabad Medical Device Innovation, and
Mm-hmm.
in IIT Indore MS CSE, and
Okay.
IIT Palakkad Computing and Mathematics. So
Okay.
here also I was confused between IIT Hyderabad and IIT Kanpur, but um, after seeing that a medical device innovation is a very latest
Right.
course, and all, I have again written and wait. I have done written and wait for IIT Kanpur Geoinformatics, and in round five only
Okay.
one offer, that is IIT Kanpur Geoinformatics, and I accepted that.
Okay. Okay. So, Siri, why didn't you choose IIT Indore MS Computer Science? Was there any specific reason about MS because it was MS, or is
Yes.
there any other
No, no.
reason?
No, not like that, sir. But it was a second gen IIT. But
Okay.
I mean, I am not totally interested in core computer science from
Okay.
very much before. So that and one more thing, IIT Kanpur is old IIT, and I am interested in this data analytics field
Okay.
mainly. I was interested in data analytics and something related to medical field like that. So I was interested in that. And geoinformatics is totally related to data analysis and all.
Correct.
And as I was not interested in CSC much, so and if I was getting CSC in old IIT, I would definitely go get into it.
Right.
But comparing the I mean old IIT and new IIT and getting placements also, I have compared
Right.
geoinformatics. I mean Kanpur is far ahead. So and
Right.
I have talked with many seniors in LinkedIn also.
Right. Right.
This Kanpur seniors and the Hyderabad IIT Hyderabad seniors also I have discussed, and finally I took a decision for IIT Kanpur.
So, Siri, can you tell me you had interest of joining interdisciplinary branches from very start, or was it after counseling?
Yeah, I mean, after the counseling process has been started, actually
Mm-hmm.
you were saying to apply for some interdisciplinary courses, but
Right.
initially I was not at all interested. But
Right.
as you were saying continuously, I have started I mean searching about the courses, and I have
Right.
known the curriculum and all. So in all the
Okay.
interdisciplinary, I have particularly selected this geoinformatics and biotechnology. Only these
Right.
two I have applied in some of the IITs. That too only in old IITs I have applied for interdisciplinary.
Right.
So in that I got this geoinformatics.
Right. And in fact,
And
there are also perks of joining old IITs than joining core computer
yes,
science and new IITs,
yes,
right?
yes, sir.
So
Yeah,
that's what
that was
the
also
thought
one
process.
criteria. Yes, yes, sir. And
Yes, yes.
I
That's good.
was initial from initial days onwards, I was only wanted to go into old IITs, and I was not interested with
Hmm.
this new IITs. And yeah,
Right, right. Since you have, I mean, since you have invested 2 years of your,
yes,
GATE examination, and
yeah.
you have been struggling a lot about this GATE and,
Mhm.
preparation and all.
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
this is what you get in the last, right? So
Yes.
your hard work always pays off.
Yes, yes. I am very much happy with this offer, sir. And when I got this also, I was very much excited. And
Right.
thanks
So
for you
Siri,
also, because
yeah, very
because of you
welcome.
only I was searching about interdisciplinary, and I got this offer.
Yes, yes, yes. Good, good. And Siri, can you tell me how many colleges did you apply and how many colleges did you receive calls
Yeah,
from? Is there any ratio in which you can conclude
yeah.
this statement?
Yeah, I have applied almost all IITs. Only two or three
Okay,
IITs I have left out, like IIT Goa, Mandi, and Dharwad. I think only these three IITs I
okay.
have left. So almost 20, almost 19 IITs I have applied, and I got
Mm-hmm.
offers from maybe 5 or 6 IITs. That's it.
Okay,
So
okay.
because my score was average, no, I mean, if my score was about above 700, it would be more colleges.
Hmm.
I think.
Correct,
Uh,
correct. I understand.
yes.
But still, you are saying that you have received 5 to 6 colleges calls from
Yes,
only
yes, yes.
CUAP. But apart from that,
Yes, you
have
are
you
right.
received any other calls?
No, sir. Actually, I have received interview calls from this IIT Bhilai, IIT
Okay.
Indore, IIT Jodhpur, and now
Mm-hmm.
IIT Hyderabad AI for self sponsorship.
Right,
So both this IIT
right.
Bhilai and IIT Indore was I mean they have interviewed, and the offer was given in COAP only.
Mm-hmm.
So IIT
Okay.
Jodhpur, I did not get any call, and
Mm-hmm.
IIT Hyderabad also, I did not got any calls.
Okay. So, Siri, you were saying that you have a current option of IIT Hyderabad Artificial Intelligence self-sponsored. So,
Yes, yes.
if given chance, would
And
you go? Mm-hmm.
I
Go
mean, I
ahead.
have not yet got the offer, sir. I have just given the
Okay.
interview.
Okay, okay. You have given the
Yeah.
interview. But if
Yes,
given
yes.
chance, would you prefer to go self-sponsored in IIT Hyderabad Artificial Intelligence, or would you prefer to join IIT Kanpur interdisciplinary
Yeah.
branch?
Because of the fee factor, there would be some
Hmm.
edge for this IIT Kanpur, but I mean, you were saying that IIT Hyderabad AI was very good, and it's my,
Hmm.
I mean, IIT Hyderabad is very near to my native place also.
Right. Right.
So, but after discussing with my parents, if they are enough, I mean, if they are
Right.
okay with this fees and all, and after
Right.
discussing the pros and cons, I would be deciding about
Good. Good.
these two ways.
Good. Okay, so Siri, now I will ask you some questions related to your interview process, right? So ha
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have been gone through very various IITs and their
yes,
processes of admission, right?
yes,
So
yes, sir.
can you provide me this in nutshell, like what were the basic questions they asked and what one
Yeah,
should prepare for computer science?
yeah. So, I think in computer science, mainly they were focusing on data structures and algorithms and
Okay,
mathematics. And
right.
mathematics was very important because I was giving interviews for mostly for AI and data science and computer science.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
because specifically in AI and data science, they were asking totally mathematical questions. So these three, I think these are the subjects enough,
Okay,
and we
okay.
should be knowing this our project. I mean, BTech
BTech
project
project is
results.
important, right?
Yes,
BTech
yes,
project is
sir.
important.
Yes,
And
and
can
they
you
were
name some specific topics from mathematics, like from your GATE
yeah,
syllabus? Can you name some specific topics which were asked?
yeah, mathematics. Mainly, they in one of the interviews they were asking regarding graphs in
Okay,
discrete mathematics and linear algebra also. Um,
okay.
yeah, that's it.
Was
And
there any
in
probability question or permutation
yeah,
combination questions?
no, sir. I mean, I
Okay,
didn't get any questions from that.
right, right,
Mainly
right.
from discrete mathematics, I was asked many questions at the
Okay,
time of these graphs and
and mhm,
relations, functions and relations. So
right,
in that, they have asked.
right, right.
Yes, sir.
And Siri, can you remember like how many professors were there taking
Yeah.
interviews?
I mean, in one of the interview, I got five professors like that, and
Where can you remember the college name?
I think in IIT Bhilai, sir. Four or
Okay,
five. There were four or five. In
okay,
all other, there are two or three. I mean, only two or three professors were there.
okay. And did they ask any question from your previous work or internship?
Yeah, recently in IIT Hyderabad, they were.
Mm-hmm,
I mean, not internship. They were asked. They have asked, and I have just explained what was the internship and all. But
mm-hmm,
I was working in one of the corporate company, so they have
mm-hmm.
asked what were you doing in the company and that
Right.
project and related to that project in IIT Hyderabad. They have asked about it also, and of
Mm-hmm.
course they are asking about internship and also project, a BTech project.
Great. So
Yes,
you have answered all the questions, right?
yeah, regarding this I have answered, but in
Okay.
maybe every interview two or three questions were missed. uh,
Oh, right,
I
right.
mean, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And Siri, generally professors ask what are your favorite subjects, right?
Yes,
Or
yes,
I mean,
yes,
generally they ask. But was
yes.
there any situation where they didn't ask specifically in some IIT? Any IIT you remember?
Specifically, I think in IIT Hyderabad they didn't ask anything.
Okay.
They, I mean, favorites are, no, no. IIT Hyderabad also they were asked. I think in only IIT Jodhpur data science they didn't ask about
Mm-hmm.
these subjects, and all other IITs they have asked the favorite subjects, and
Okay.
they are going with the favorite subjects questions only.
Okay. And what and this IIT Jodhpur you are saying about, is this regular mode or non-regular mode?
Yeah, that was this without fellowship program, sir. I
Right,
mean,
right.
we will not get a stipend.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, Siri, that was very nice interacting you. Some
Yeah.
questions, concluding questions I wanted to ask. Like,
Yeah.
what mistakes do you think you did?
Maybe procrastination will be my mistake.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Okay.
that was the only thing I want to change in myself.
Right.
I mean, postpone. Actually, after getting the gate results, I was not searching and all. I was not. I have not
So,
yet searched and all and done anything
hmm,
till 1 month like that. So till
right.
then, some of the IIT's applications were completed. So that's why I couldn't apply
Okay.
some of the interdisciplinary courses in such IITs. So
Right.
I think everyone should be aware of all the courses and all the curriculum initial. I mean, before itself,
Right.
so that we would be
Right.
able to directly apply
So
for
one
those.
should, yeah, so one should not stop preparing and
Yeah.
stop searching after gate exam, and
Yes. Yes.
one should actually do hard work after gate exam as well.
Yes, yes. I mean, after the exam has finished, I was just like relaxed. So we should not be
Hmm.
like that. We should be searching for the courses and all. Just knowing about
Right.
them is enough to, I mean, to apply all this.
So, Siri, if you given a chance, like suppose you given a chance to go again in February or March, so what will
Yes.
you do in that case? Like,
Um,
what improvement can you bring in current situation?
yeah, maybe I mean I have revised revision and knowing the concepts I was very much perfect, but I did little practice. I did not practice well. I
Hmm.
think it was my mistake. So I would practice more and more, and I would be writing test series, and I would be
Right.
referring some standard textbooks for questions, only for questions. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe that would be very much helpful. I mean, it would give a
Right.
practice, no sir. Some
Correct.
exposing to
Correct.
different kind of questions will be very much useful in the at the time of examination. So
Right.
I mean, we should increase the speed also. I mean, in a gate exam, time would be sufficient, but if
Hmm.
we increase our speed, we would get a chance to recheck the questions also. So that's
Okay. Correct. Correct.
yes,
And Siri, what are your suggestions for others so that others can get most out of this video? Like,
yeah.
if someone, I mean, if you want to say something with your own experiences, so what will you suggest to other students?
Yeah. So one thing I have said that we should be aware of everything, and
Mm-hmm.
your pedia has helped me a lot in this. I mean, I came to know about this channel through my friend. So
Okay.
with this one-on-one mentoring was very much helpful, and actually
Hmm.
you were giving a response. I mean, you were responding immediately in WhatsApp and all also. So
Hmm.
we should definitely take some kind of support after the gate. I mean, like post gate counseling
Right.
should be taken. That is definitely, because it is not like BTech, no sir. I mean, in MTech there are many
Hmm.
courses. I mean,
Hmm.
every I mean, I have given in CSC, but I was eligible to apply in many other branches in MTech and MS
Right.
also. So many people
Right.
don't even know those branches at all. So
Yes, Siri.
and if we start searching, we will be getting more and more information, but I mean, we would not be getting clear idea about every course. So
Correct.
if we take someone's help and guidance like your pedia, it would be very much helpful. And
Mm-hmm.
definitely we should seek the help from I mean, from anyone. I your pedia was best
Right.
for me. uh, I mean,
Yes.
after gate, this would be the suggestion
Yes.
from
Yes.
me. Yes.
Yes, Siri. So that is all, Siri. I wish
Yes,
you
sir.
all the best for your IIT
Thank
Kanpur,
you, sir. Thank
and
you, sir.
all the best for your future. And
Yes, sir.
please be connected, okay? We
Yeah,
will
yeah. Okay,
be
sir.
discussing any doubt. If you get doubt
Yeah,
in your MTech as well, we will be ready for you, okay?
yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
Siri. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, all the best.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.